Hi guys! 11:32 PM na, wow feng shui na. Brethren, family and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat, ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong feng shui pachi chimen, Yijing and date selection consultant. So, kumusta po? Kumusta po yung ating manifestation related to people, mindset, and environment? Kumusta po ba? What happened? Ano po ba? Kwento po naman. Ano po ba? Di po ba may bago tayong template stating your name, your location, and your grievances, no? May mga add-on po tayo. And, eto po, meron pa po tayo. Later po, I will share with you how do you activate that courage. Yung tapang po. Dahil po malamang, sa hindi, ito pong past few weeks, past few days, pinanghinaang po tayo sa mga challenges, sa bagyo, sa baha, na ating pong naranasan, no po, bawat isa po sa atin, no? Na biktima po niyan, in what way, small or big, di po ba? And we want to make this week. Kaya pag umuulan, parang, umulan na naman, di po ba, nag-iisip ka na, what will happen next? But then again, ito pong manifestation po later is all about courage, yung pong tapang na mapagtagumpayan po natin ang hamon ng linggong ito. Yan, okay, good. Tingnan natin. But before that, syempre, tingnan muna natin, ano po ba ang July 29 Monday? July 29 na. By the way po, BFF, malapit na po ang Ghost Month. It's August 4 to September 2. So kayo pong hindi pa po nakapungsoy ang bahay, ang opisina, you still have a few days po to realign the environment po, to protect you, to make sure that you're not affected by the Ghost Month. Yan I'm saying it in advance. Okay, tomorrow, Monday, it's called the Wood Horse enters the auspicious close officer day. So ano Norman ang pwedeng gawin sa Wood Horse auspicious officer day? Ito po, suitable po, seek blessings, making a donation, discussion, utility services, burial, tomb repair, fermentation, and purchases. Avoid contract signing, groundbreaking, investment, and visit a beautician, not all for tomorrow. Avoid po natin yan, BFF. Okay, good for whom and challenging for whom din, animal signs. Okay. Animal signs. Ito po. Animal sign, rat and ox, not so good. Tiger, very good. Rabbit, average. Dragon, not so good. Snake is average. Horse and goat, very good. Monkey, not so good. Rooster, average. Dog, very good. And pig, average. Ayan po. Okay, daily chimen natin. Para po kung may plano tomorrow, not suitable, at least you can still get what you want. Importante po yun eh. Why are we sad? Because we don't get what we want. Why are we happy? We get what we want. Di po ba? And sometimes it goes beyond do sa expectation natin. Kaya po, it brings a smile in our face. Pero po, pag hindi nakuha, malungkot tayo. That's life po. But still, we can still do something about it. Okay. July 29. If you're a content maker, you're into sales and marketing, you want to promote your products and services, magkaroon ka ng kliyente, you, in terms of online platform, you make good of it, you have the influence po, people would follow you, 10x, 7 stars to, with resources and branding, talikod sa South whole day. About the negotiations, heart-to-heart talk, in terms of creating an opportunity, talikod naman sa Northwest. Health is wealth. Hi, Kuyang Melvin. Kumusta? Good evening sa'yo. Good evening, brother. Okay. Health is wealth, talikod sa North. And with the wisdom po to, Kuyang Melvin, ha? And to do with finances, talikod sa Northeast. And the game changer po, I would say, is but the quality is not that really good. So if I were you, I would use South backing all for tomorrow. Okay. Now, sinabi ko po kanina na itong mga panahon ito, we would be needing the courage po, yung tapang po, tapang, na mapagtagumpayan itong linggong itong challenges po that this week will offer and will present itself, no? Tingnan natin. Ano yung tapang na yan? Okay, let's see. Okay. So, ang sabi rito is, tomorrow, bukas, take your pencils out and paper. Pencil, and paper po tayo. Take a note of this. Kuya Melvin, BFF, July 29, 2024, auspicious, ito nga po, auspicious day, 3 p.m. to 4:59 p.m. Yan talikod sa west. Okay. Kung hindi man po at busy sa work, you have 9 p.m. to 10:59 p.m. talikod sa south. This is all about tapang, courage. Okay. Para saan? Ayan. Himay-himay natin yung courage na yan. Number 1, tanggalin lahat ng mga sagabal, tanggalin lahat ng mga bumabara, humahadlang sa trabaho, at mga usaping pinansyal. So, any work and financial blockages, kayang tanggalin yan sa inyong pag-manifest tomorrow. Number 2, negotiate and sign contract signing. Though it's not suitable, but you can still manifest. Good. 3, launch something. Initiate a marketing program, a marketing system. Yun po pwede. Number 4, ito importante po. Importante. Attract nobleman's luck. But be sure na kilala mo whom you're attracting po And then, eto na po the most important. Alam ko po this week has been very challenging. Kahit po ako di po ba? Supposedly, may kita na biglang nag-turn na bumagyo everything. But nabawi ko nung po Saturday. We turn it back. So, number 5, turn the tide back to your favor. No, i-twist mo po kung ano man ang challenges, kung ano man po ang hindi magandang nangyari sa iyo nung nakaraang linggo. You can turn the tide po, turn it to your favor this week. So, how do you do it? Ito na naman po tayo, count from 64 to 1, non-negotiable po yan. Back to the sector, so 3 p.m. to 4:59, talikod sa west, 9 p.m. to 10:59, talikod naman sa south. Okay. So, ito po, state your name, location, and then yung mga hinagpis mo po. Yung mga challenges po na naranasan mo last week, state mo yan. Then, release it. Release it, and then, ano bang plano mo? Your goals. Very specific po tayo doon. And of course, the outcome that you want. Yan. And then, action to be done. Lumabas ka po, make a call, phone call, text, email, meet, FB, Viber, Messenger, Telegram, WhatsApp, you do it. Launch something. Do something po this starting tomorrow. So yan po, brethren, BFF, courage po. I know it will take a lot of courage po to bounce back. Ako nga po, almost, more than 2 weeks akong, nasa overseas. Really, it's really hard to get back again. Of course, kailangan po again, you lost the momentum, and here I am. But at least I'm confident that we're getting it back na po. And sana kayo din po, don't forget that. You do it. Kuya Melvin, do it. Yung courage, 3 p.m. Pwede bang gawin both, 3 p.m. and 9? Yes, pwede po. Isang west, isang south backing. Then, I also mentioned that south, kung po, whole day, gagamitin ko po ang south because if you're promoting something, if you're into marketing, you're into branding, you're into advertising, gamitin mo south backing tomorrow. You can work backing to south tomorrow. Again, BFF, I'm so grateful and happy to be able to share all of this to you. As I mentioned, the one sharing this is from abroad, but still, tamang-tama sa atin, sa mga challenges po that we have experienced po sa Pilipinas, doon po sa nakaraang Karina na bagyo. I'm so happy na I'm able to share. Again, BFF, let us continuously pray for each other, our fellow countrymen. Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Ito po, let be a blessing to others. God bless us all. And with a grateful heart, maraming po salamat sa inyong lahat. God bless and good night. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.